Welcome back to another video. This video is task 6. It's all about data importing, and it sort of complements the year 8 computing course, the 8D modelling. Okay, so we've got to this part in our spreadsheet. So we've finished task 5. We're on to task 6 now, and it says here on Joggle, find this file, copy it below, and format it, and add all the figures in total. Now, before we start, the file is actually not on Joggle because we now use Moodle. So let's go and show you what that looks like on Moodle. Okay, so we go to Moodle. Here is the 8D modelling spreadsheet homepage, the topic page, which we've got here, and links to all the videos. And what we want to do is, in Excel, you can type in your own data, or you can do things like you can import data from other sources. That could be other files, spreadsheets, databases, all sorts of different types of things, and that's quite useful. And at school, certainly, we import data from things like Sims as well to help us do grading as teachers. So in this situation, we've got some data that we need to import, and the data's here. Okay, so if you click on that, okay, what it will do is it will open up a Word document. Okay, so let's open up that and make sure you enable editing. And the idea is that we want this data here to be in Excel, and we're going to tidy it up, we're going to format it, and then add up all the figures in total. Okay, a bit like we did in the last video. So how do we get this data in here? Well, it's really simple. We can highlight the data like this, make sure we've highlighted everything. Okay, right click, copy, whiz into Excel, and then we can just right click and paste that in like that. Now it looks a bit weird and a little bit sort of not particularly formatted. Okay, so what can we do here? Well, straight away what we can do is a quick way of just undoing all the formats, because this is the format and you think, well, what does that mean? Well, it's got different size fonts here. Can you see that's 16? We've got 11 up here, can you see here? We've got red, we've got purple, I think we've got blue, we've got black text. And there's a really simple way in Excel you can just get rid of all those formatting. You just highlight it all. Go to your home tab and go clear formats. And what it does, it gets rid of all that, those different colours and everything, and just gets rid of it all. Okay, and it creates. It puts it into a much easier sort of format. Okay, so we want to format it and make this look a bit easier. So it's some sort of DVD, maybe a shop that's got some DVDs and how many they've sold, and they want a total there. Okay, well, let's make it nice and formatted. So let's just highlight here and put this into some borders. Okay, and let's drag the columns left and right. Okay. What we can also do is center. I'm going to leave that like that. I'm going to center all this here. So it's all centered, so it looks nice. Now, to do the currency, okay, so it's 14.99. Obviously, it's pounds because we live in the UK. Two ways you can do it. Long way is highlight the cell and say we want that all to be pounds. You go right-click, format cells. And then we can say, well, okay, what do you want to format? Well, we want that currency, and it all appears to be pounds. Okay. We can also do it quickly through here up on this menu here. So we've got a basic. Let's put some bold and underlines there, so it looks quite good. So what we need to do here is get a total amount that they sold. So there's maybe the sales for that little DVD shop. So it's this price times that many sold. Okay, so the sort of basic maths is the price of something by how many you've sold. So let's go back to a really simple answer. If you've got a sweet store at school and you have a wham bar for 20p and you sell two, how much money you've got in your hand? Well, the answer is 40p. Okay. So same sort of thing. How do we use a formula? Okay, how do we use a formula here to get these totals? So we start a formula with an equals, and it's just simple cell reference by cell reference. So it would be D14. It's multiplied. That's that shift 8. Get that little sign by E14. Okay, which is £119. Now, obviously, that's not in pounds, is it? So we can go up here really quickly, go to currency, and make that £119. Okay, and do you remember that we can once we've done one cell, we can copy and paste it? We can do that same there and paste that in now really quickly. So once we've got one formula, we can paste it in. Obviously do a sanity check to make sure that makes sense. 1 times 499 is 499. If you had something different there, you might have got the formula wrong. But that's pretty much it. So what we've done, we've imported the data, we've formatted and cleared it here, all right? And we've also put some pound signs in some of the data, and we've added in a formula to help us calculate that figure. Hope that's helped with your work, and good luck with task 6. Okay, thanks for watching.